So ladies, if you want more information about this gorgeous realistic unit, then definitely stay tuned. Hey y'all, so I hope y'all not getting tired of me with these voiceovers, but here you go. I wanted to show you guys this unit that I found again on Etsy. This is a very small, not quite micro braid unit, but a very small braided unit, and it is a 13 by 6, I believe, unit. This is something random I found. No, this video is not sponsored. This wig was not sent to me. This lady made it, and I'm really getting into these units on Etsy.com. So it comes with an elastic band, and look at the quality of these braids, you guys. I have a vacation coming up, so I really wanted a braided unit. I do have the larger braided unit I found on Etsy, but I wanted these smaller braids as well. This one is it only has a price tag of $150, you guys. I don't know if she has any more of these left, but I will leave her link below. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my head. Now, one thing, I did bleach the knots in this unit myself. I did bleach the knots, so it does not come bleached, but this lady hand braided this unit herself, and it is amazing quality. When you're searching for wigs on Etsy, I do suggest you do a lot of research. Read your reviews. This lady didn't have too many reviews, but the quality in her photos, it just looked amazing. If you're not sure and have questions about things that you see on Etsy, definitely message the seller and just make sure that the pictures you see online is the actual product. But look at the parting space. I would definitely suggest a frontal unit. They do have closure units available, but I just love the realisticness of the frontal, and you can pull the braids back all the way across from ear to ear. So like I said, this wig is from Etsy, you guys. The link to the lady's shop will be below. I'm not sure if she has any more of this specific unit because, like I said, it's handmade, so I don't know if she has any more. But guys, get into this unit. This is my very first small braided unit. So I'm going to go ahead and put some skin color foundation on my cap. Now, mind you, after this, I did go in and actually do the ball cap method because the regular cap wasn't working. So at this point, I do have on a ball cap. And guys, look at this. Now, I do have a review up of my jumbo braids on a full lace wig. This is not a full lace wig, just a frontal. And these are two different sellers. So I'm going in using my Trusty Dusty Lace Bond Spray by Eben. This stuff works extremely well, and luckily the lace on this unit is very, very thin, so I had no problems laying it down. So guys, check out this unit. Look how realistic this looks. Now I'm going to go through a few style options that you can do with this braided frontal unit, so stick around. So the half up, half down bun style is always a crowd favorite. So here's the wig all down, and I'm sorry, I forgot to show you all the back of this unit. So it's just tracks, and it's still very well braided. And here are the ends again from the back. So one of my favorite ways to wear this wig is pulled back. It is so pretty. And I also want to show you guys with that even lace bond spray, this wig is not moving. So thanks for watching, you guys. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Check out the links below. Bye.